hello and welcome to my living room. I want to first of all say thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, taking the time to watch the different things we've done on Windy City Live, and now you are here. And I wanted to introduce you to just a few things. First of all, I'm Davis. I'm the founder of the Vital Life program, and I have a life mission to reverse the obesity epidemic in the United States. And this starts with you. Now, to begin with, if you're not sure if you're overweight or obese or at a healthy weight, what I would like you to do to start with is I want you to go into a Google search, and I want you to search for BMI calculator. Okay, now if you look in the comments, I've also put a link in the comments where you can click on that. It will take you to a BMI calculator. You're going to put your height and you're going to put your weight in there, and it's going to give you a number. If that number is between 18.5 and 25, then that is considered healthy BMI. That means, according to the Center for Disease Control, you're at an optimal weight. You don't need to gain or lose any weight if you're between 18.5 and 25. If you're between 25 and 30, medically you are classified as overweight. It has nothing to do with the way you look or anything like that, but medically you're classified as overweight. That means, according to the Center for Disease Control, you have a 50% chance of dying from a weight-related illness. So it's a very serious thing. If your BMI is between 30 and 35, you are considered medically classified as obese. That means you have a 75% chance of dying from a weight-related illness. After that, there's increments of classes of obesity, type class 1, class 2, class 3, every 5 increments that you go up. So I want you to start with that. So pause this, click on that link, figure out where you're at. Are you at a healthy weight? Are you overweight, or are you obese? And figure that out, and then play more of this video. All right, so hopefully you did that, and you're back. Welcome back. Thank you for following the instructions. You're doing so amazing. And I want to talk to you about what information is on here and a little bit about myself. First of all, I used to be 195 pounds. All right, you can see that picture there. That was me before. I weigh 135 pounds now. That was 7 years ago. I figured out how to lose weight and keep it off 7 years ago. And I had done a whole bunch of different things to try to lose weight. I had counted calories, I had tried exercising, and one of the most discouraging years of my life was when I went for an entire year and I had an app on my phone and I counted calories religiously for a year. I ate between 800 and 1,200 calories a day for a year without taking a break. I lost 20 pounds. You know, I should have lost more if we're looking at the calories in, calories out. I didn't understand that by reducing my calories, I was slowing down my metabolism and actually hurting myself. And that's why when I was losing weight, and maybe you can identify this, I felt horrible. I had really bad energy, low energy. I had the sunken eyes, the dark circles around my eyes, the drawn cheeks, because I wasn't doing it in a healthy manner. I then went on a cruise. Now, if any of you have been on a cruise, you know that there's constant food. Now, I didn't go crazy. All I did was not count calories for 5 days. And I came back from that cruise, and I wasn't drinking alcohol either. So it wasn't like I was doing all, and I don't like dessert really. I was just enjoying the cruise. I came back from that cruise, and I had gained 7 pounds. What took me a year to lose, I gained almost half of it back in 5 days. That's when I decided I needed to find something else. And I had a friend who showed me how I could lose weight by focusing on my metabolism. As a naturopath doctor, he said, we're going to focus on fixing your metabolism. We're going to stop trying to lose weight. We're going to just focus on metabolism, because if your metabolism works right, everything else in your body is going to be great. Metabolism is the key to your health. So we switched that focus. And when my metabolism started working the way it should, and I want to give you a little bit of an idea of how bad it was. I was 27, 28 at the time, right around that age, and my metabolism worked like a 50-year-old. My metabolism today works like a 12-year-old. And I know, I act like I'm 12. I love it. But my metabolism works like a 12-year-old. So it's a lot easier for me to keep off weight now because my metabolism works way better than it used to. So when I changed my focus and my metabolism started working right, the weight just fell off. I was able to lose 30 pounds in 40 days doing that. I then became obsessed with how can I help other people do this. I was studying to be a pastor because I wanted to help change and impact people's lives. It's been my whole life's journey and purpose. And I dropped out of school to become a pastor, a master's degree, so I could pursue nutrition because this was so life-changing for me. I wasn't on any medications. I didn't have any like chronic illnesses or anything like that. I was just slow, I was overweight, and I wasn't happy with the way I looked. Well, through this journey, I lost a bunch of weight. I have now lost a total of 60 pounds since my original heaviest weight. I feel amazing, and I have figured out how to reduplicate this. I became obsessed with how can I do this for other people. And that's where the VitaLife program comes in. But I understand sometimes, you know what? The VitaLife program isn't for everybody, but that doesn't change who I am, and that doesn't change my mission, which is to reverse the obesity epidemic in America. I envision a world that is free of obesity. And that starts with you. It's not going to start with the government changing the laws. It's not going to start with some new program that we're going to have where the grocery stores become more affordable or any of that. It is you taking responsibility for yourself and your actions and your health. It's not up to your doctor. It's not up to our government. It's not up to anyone else. It's not even up to me. All I can do is take care of myself, and I will take care of myself because health is the most important asset that you have. If you lose your health, you lose absolutely everything. Now, I know some people out there, maybe you are thinking, well, it's my family, that's the most important thing. If you really believe that, then first of all, you have to take care of yourself. What good are you to your family if you're sick in the hospital? What good are you to your family if they are the ones that have to take care of you? You then become a burden to them. So, the series of videos here and some of the pamphlets that we have here, they're all free. It's free information. And it's going to teach you some really key tools on how you can live a vital life. This is Davis, and I hope you enjoy this series of videos. And I am reminding you that today is the day to live your life with vitality.